Dimensions: 20 inches by 4.5 inches 2 PACK of 5 micron sediment water filter. Universal replacement, fits most 20-inch water filter housings. Quality filtration, made of thermally bonded 100% pure polypropylene microfibers. Whole house sediment filtration. Contains no binders, agents, solvents, antistatic materials or wetting agents. 5 zones of filtration to ensure quality and remove more contaminants, large and fine particles from a drinking water, such as sand, dirt, silt, and rust particles. Lifetime: 4 to 6 months, 20,000 to 30,000 gallons, depending on the water quality. Replace for great taste of your water. Compatible replacement filters: Aqua Sun International SWS-BB, AquaPure AP810-2, AXEON membranes 200,640, ClearChoice 84,644, Everpure EV 910,837, Filter Specialist CMMFO 520-45W1, FreshWaterSystems MBGC-45205, Heritage Parts TMP 5618907, Hydronix SDC 452005, SDG 452005, iSpring FP25B, Liquatec SDF 452005, NeoPure MBGC 45205, Pentair DEV 910837, EV 910837, P5 to 20BB, Pentek 155358-43, P5 to 20BB, Pura 33003117, Sterilight CMB 520HF, Valuetrex VXO 520BB, Watts FPM-BBB 5 to 20, etc. Compatible housings: 3M 70,020,143,163, AquaPure AP802, AP802-1.5, Kuno 5,557,610, CFS02T. Systems from 3M, DuPont, APEC, Whirlpool, Olympia, US Aqua, Pentek, Aquasana, Culligan, Costway, GE, Smart Aqua Life, Geekpore, The Perfect Water, Glacier Bay, AquaPure, Global Water, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Easy install, improvement in water quality. Product installed easily, it has been in about 2 weeks, and between the sediment and carbon block filters the water feels and tastes way better in the house. I plan on changing every 6 months unless I notice a quality or pressure drop. I'll update if there are any changes at the next filter change.